Hi, my name is Gajan, and I'm one of the co-founders and CEO at Rapyuta Robotics.
My name is Arul, and I'm one of the co-founder and CFO at Rapyuta Robotics.
We are a robotic startup established in 2014. We spun off from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, and we are now about 170 people. We have two offices, one in Tokyo, where we have about 130 people, and then the rest is in Bangalore. So we focus mainly on robotics and even within that, robotic software.
Since 2018, we have been focused in the logistics industries. We have a cloud robotics platform, and using that platform, we are building a cool solution called Pick Assist AMR. Since 2020, it's go live, and we are being the number one market share for these Pick Assist AMRs in Japan. We have already seen like more than 2x of productivity improvement inside the warehouses.
The Rapyuta platform is a software platform mainly for people who want to develop robotic solutions. Although the robotic solutions come in different shapes and sizes and many different hardware, we still believe there is a common set of software that can enable these solution building. I'm originally from Sri Lanka, so when I was in high school, that's when the Honda Asimo was released, and I was very excited about it. And I wanted to come to Japan. And I got the Mombusho scholarship and did my bachelor's and master's here. Then I wanted to see more of robotics, so moved a little bit to Switzerland, did my PhD. When I was in the third year of Tokyo Institute of Technology, Arul joined the first year. This idea kicked off of starting the company where because we were both excited about robots and wanted to do something for the society.
BHAG's like a big, hairy, audacious goal is to become the most respected leader in bringing the robotics to everyone. First, we want to provide a platform that enables everyone to come together.
So PCs in 1970s, they were primarily for large enterprises. You need to have a lot of money. But then PC became something that is being accessible for everyone. The same story for cell phones. So we want to create the same environment for robots. The core values are the direction that we want to be, and the culture is the current state of how close we are on that one. Two engineers starting a company, we were initially struggling with people, and I would say like people are more complex than robots. We wanted to have a structured way of making decisions, treating people. People from 20 different countries. Six of our core values are optimized for working in a collaborative way.
For example, the first principle is a great core value that we always practice in our day-to-day operations. Whenever we start thinking anything new or developing something, we always think about break down the things into very simple blocks. What is the requirement? What are the problem? What are the goals? What are the blocks should be there? The other one is fearlessness. It's like we ask people to take more calculated risks. We just give the direction or the goal.
The other thing, I guess, is the openness. We believe everyone should have access to the same amount of information to make the right decisions. You have access to every information. I would say the six core values may represent our culture more precisely.
Recently, we implemented the whole team structure in a more agile way that we can work. We have a kind of squad structure. They all closely work within that squad towards achieving their goals.
We don't micromanage on the squad level at all, which is also very motivating for people who are working in the squads. All right, last one. What do you want for your people? So our people are very excited about robots. What I want is I want them to take on a very exciting journey, a journey that they will never forget, and something they can keep it close to their heart. They can tell their grandchildren. We want to create an environment that we give a lot of freedom, and we also make it more safe for failure. We want to let people take calculated risks and challenges. What we want them is like to go out and make big mistakes and be proud of it. I was telling Arul, like when I was in the soccer team when I was in middle school, we used to be very proud. We used to say, hey, I got this car in that match. So I want to have that conversation with my people after 20 years. Hey, we had this so much challenging, but we somehow overcame it. In summary, I want them to take in a very exciting journey and create a lot of memories with them is the main thing for my people.